Hey y'all, back again. I done braided up my hair and we're gonna put this wig on. Okay. I'm actually gonna use the HD cap that came in the box. Let's put this wig on, girl. Okay. Adjustable strap, drawstring, all of that. So this should be real secure without me having to do too much. Like I said, I might have to customize it, but we're gonna put this on first. See where she lands. And then customize it afterwards. Ooh-wee. I was supposed to let some edges out and I forgot. Whoops. Well, we'll just glue that down here, right? We will. Okay, this is her. Ooh-wee. She looks good. I'm gonna have to customize the lace a little bit. As you guys can see, that is the lace. That's what we're looking like. Wow. This is crazy. I have not had a straight wig in so long. So let me customize the waist. Let me customize the lace and come back. One moment. All right, y'all. We're back. After some customizing, I don't have all my products. I can't find my lace tint. I just had to try and find some makeup to use. But yeah. This is the wig, which is honestly beautiful. Like I said, here's the texture. It's giving silk press-ish. I have to get used to this style. I haven't done a bust down middle in a minute, y'all. In a minute. I believe this is 180 density. So it's like a natural thickness. So it's not too much going on. I am going to do some layers in the front, I believe. Because I kind of want it to have a little bit more body. But overall, she's really cute. She's really cute. I really do like it. This is what I've done in the front so far. Like I said, I still need to customize it a little bit more, but for the most part, she's good. It's like I said, 7x5. So we have parting space here. We have some over here. So she's cute. She's cute. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. I know the people at work are going to be like, oh my God, who is this? Anytime I switch my hair up, it is like world news. So nobody's seen me with straight hair in, I don't think, ever. Ever. So this should be really interesting, but I'm excited. I like it. I think it's super cute. And yeah, this is the length. Like I said, I got 22 inches. So we're out here. I'll show y'all the back. Don't know what that looks like, but I'll still show y'all. This is the back of the hair. 22 inches. I think it's the perfect length. I'm so glad I didn't get 24. So glad. Y'all see? So there's still quite a bit of customizing that still needs to be done, okay? Still needs to be done. But overall, she's really cute. She's really cute. I like it. It's something new. It's something different. Something to hold me over until my next style. Because like I said, I'll be cutting my hair in this amount of time. She's coming off. But so far, so good. Like I said, I'm going to customize some more. But this is the Nadula 7x5 Yaki straight texture. So like I said, it's not silky. It's honestly a perfect texture. I really, really do like it. Texture shot again. So y'all can see. But overall, she's really cute. I did have to, like I said, customize my part. The part was a little bit sketchy, but we fixed her. We got her together. I think it looks really good. I think it looks really, really good. So yeah, y'all, this is the wig. What are we thinking? What are we thinking? I don't know what to do with myself. Oh my gosh. But let me chop her up a little bit and see how we can really get her together. But overall, first impression, I'm liking it so far. I will come back a little bit later, just kind of see where we're at with this. But I'm liking her so far. So far, so good. So yes, this is the Nadula 7x5 Yaki straight 22 inches. And yeah, I'll check in with y'all after I do a little bit more customizing.